Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin now. Park, engage the handbrake, and turn the ignition to on without starting the engine so systems are powered but idle. Once done, confirm battery voltage above 12 volts to prevent lost settings during reset. Choose your method, a diagnostic tool, VCDS, for a definitive electronic clear, or the cluster trip/reset button for the manual menu reset. Make sure you know the last service interval, so the cluster records the correct next due mileage. You now perform the reset step by step. If using the dash, press the trip/reset stalk to access the display menu, hold the reset button until the service prompt appears, then follow prompts to confirm and update mileage or type. If using VCDS, connect to OBD-ROMAN2, open 17 instruments, choose the service or adaptation channel, clear the service reminder, and write the correct mileage and service type. Do this deliberately. Entering wrong mileage will shift the next. Finish by turning the ignition off for about 30 seconds, then start the engine and verify the service light is extinguished and the display shows the updated interval. If the light returns, you should rescan for stored fault codes with your diagnostic tool and record any recurring entries before clearing them, because a persistent fault will auto-trigger the reminder. If resets fail repeatedly, check battery condition and inspect the instrument cluster connector for loose pins or corrosion. These electrical issues commonly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.